Alright guys, so I told you that I won't be inside. Now I'm outside. Welcome to a new vlog. This is the last week. You're gonna see me lose breath over that hill because yeah, I'll be leaving. So you won't see me here anymore. So welcome to a new vlog. Please remember to subscribe, like, share it with your friends and your family. And let me go back with you. Let me get some breakfast. Now that I catch my breath, I am on my way to get something to eat because I'm practically living like a pauper because I don't have any food in the house. And the reason for that is because I decided that I'm not going to buy anything because why buy when you're going to throw them away? And I had my last meal yesterday because I did kind of package them, and I already planned that I was going to buy fast food today. What I really wanted to do was like to buy Chick-fil-A, but probably tomorrow I'll buy that in the airport. But I'm going to the Asian place because I don't feel for burger. I don't want no burger. So I'm going to buy some Chinese food. Let me see if I can remember how to get over there because I don't think I remember how. Yes, I'm gonna reach and they away from the food inside. I got a ride from someone. What in here? Dead. I'm eating my meal and I figured more than less I'm gonna try to do the fortune cookie thing. Not try, I did it before, but I'm just gonna see what the fortune is today. I don't really follow up these stuff, but so I got two, and then like sometimes like the quote that comes in it kind of resonate with me sometimes, so I like to open it. And they have lucky numbers, but I don't gamble. Maybe I should because right now the thing there almost $1 million. But yeah, so it's to enjoy your good health every day. Alright, enjoy your good health every day, that's one. So the fact that I'm healthy, I should enjoy it because I remember last week my knee was hurting me and I couldn't even bend my knee, and now it's good. So I need to enjoy myself, I should just give God thanks for good health and I should enjoy it, you understand? And not hold up myself and sleep and lazy and all them something here. And the next one is say, tomorrow may be too late, live today. The two of them make sense, right? Tomorrow may be late, so live today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eat my sweet and sour chicken and my fried rice. It comes with pineapple. This tastes really good, I like it. Fried rice. This fried rice kind of white though, but it tastes good. It actually tastes like white fried rice. It tastes good. And this, it have shrimp, beef, and chicken. And then I have my sorrel. So I'm gonna go watch Media Girl Ash and just eat. Yes guys, I'm all set for the airport and I'm actually loving it. I'm loving the fit, loving it. Let me show you the fit. So that's it. Yeah. You know, say I had bought a one piece to go to the airport. I want to change that because it not showing me front too much. It was showing up too much and I never want no man to rush me, even though I want a man to rush me. But you know, I never want that abstraction because if I that to run me down for, you know, in a sense. So I changed it because it was just, it did two buff bay, man. We couldn't manage a buff bay. So I changed it. I got this top from Route 21 and then this jean jacket, I don't remember. I think it was some jean. I don't know. I don't remember the jeans like that. And then my Crocs. So that's the fit. Because I really wanted to wear my Crocs because sometimes when you're in the airport and you have to take off your shoes, easy. Yeah, and pops out, easy. And then I don't want to wear nothing too warm because, yeah, Jamaica may go and down the hot, so I'm taking kind of stick off this. But yeah, look at the fit, loving that. and the hair just fit me. Big up Curly Me. And guys, you never see Curly Me coming from with something. She comment, yeah, Curly Me comment on my things. Yeah, can't talk to me, can't talk to me. And oh God, the hair is so beautiful. Love that. Love that.
Where Vanessa?
I am looking on memories, you know? Six, look, Jamaican. You can't go nowhere with them. Jamaican and then still coming. Six somebody. And you have most of them.
Shadows gone with summer skies pulled me in under its eyes. A new city to get lost in. Always wanted to see Austin. Heard you running round again. Thought about when we first began.
6 person from Mitchell's are looking much luggage. I can't believe this.
I'm more in the bus.
I'm more in the bus.
Nice.
Still coming out. Can't come here. Still coming out.
6 person.
Yeah, you go, darling.
The Jamaicans them can't live with them and can't live without them. Oh, we're at the airport. Yes guys, we made it to Atlanta. We're at the Delta airline. My big friend went down. We pack up the bus with peer luggage. Peer luggage. But how do I look?
Fabulous.
Fabulous.
Fantastic.
Fabulous. Fantastical.
Excellent.
Supreme. Like $1 million just touched down in at the airport. We can't know say Jamaica we are going to say it a drive by.
Jamaica, we are going.
How far would I walk still enough? How far would I walk go? Sit there, this is nice, pretty. Panda Express? On Fridays, Chick-fil-A more. Because I don't know when I'm going to eat Chick-fil-A again.
You like Chick-fil-A?
Always agitate.
Right time. Welcome to Atlanta. I go look for food. We're there. They have 6 hours. 6 hours, so we're looking for food. Chick-fil-A to be exact. Behind. Well, the thing is, you have a mask. In tight. Yeah, that's it.
Walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it. Big talks of the town, what they move, I'd like to walk around with my chain loose. And no chick no mind.
Have to eat Chick-fil-A for the last, and then when you reach Jamaica, eat KFC. So what do you eat?
Wind me up and watch me choke. He could build me with feathers and break me with smoke. holds me till I can't breathe. And his eyes tell me things his mouth can't achieve. Me, I feel 1,000 different ways.
Just touching at the airport. Touching at the airport. You find friend and gone left me. Well, at least it's still cold.
But I do bad things. And when you want me,
I am here. Yes, loud and clear.
That's the same thing.
Guys, I'm home. Yes, I'm home. The flight never bad. And then guess what? They never check me something. They not going to my suitcase. The woman that's asked me in there. But that's like, oh, in there. And then we get $700 for clear my file. Yeah. And then I got one of my fans. I was like, oh, I watch your channel. I'm like, oh, I'm a celebrity. I'm Mr. Markland. You know Markland? The funny guy. Or a black guy. Influencer. Anyway, yes, I am home. I'm in the hometown now. And it feels so weird. Well, it don't feel weird yet because I'm in the town yet. And guess what I have? I can't see. We're not getting none and not too crazy. Anyway, yeah, just wanted to listen to Rachel. Alright guys, so I stopped at Sajikura to draw some money because I need money for tomorrow. But only that, I'm not going home because the place is supposed to be dirty. It haven't been cleaned for 3 years. We're reaching at night. I don't want to be like sneezing or anything like that. So I'm going to see if I can get one of those hotel and stay the night. Then I have to go like to Mandeville tomorrow maybe. So just do that. So I'm gonna just collect some quick cash because you know say not everywhere take card. I just want to have cash, you understand? Which we don't really want to have cash, but we just like to have cash because we need to have cash. So coming over, it wasn't so bad. It wasn't the traffic wasn't so bad, but the potholes, Jesus Christ, the pothole is patrolling. The pothole is patrolling. So yeah, just collect some cash and let's go on the beach and go get on a cheap hotel. Yeah. I feel lucky though, cause boy, when I used to out here, I feel scared. Oh God, when you watch the day I find out watching news, I'm scared. But I just can't wait to take off the lashes because it irritates me. I'm gonna just get fusion lash. Or them day we look natural. This how this strip just irritate me. So yeah. They can't talk to me though, watch her. I'm touching Jamaican money. Oh, watch it. Rich, real rich. Oh. You feel nice, you feel like we're still in foreign. Feel like Canadian money. Anyway, this I told you it was like this? Look a bit though. Good morning guys, I'm reaching at my own town and I realized they put up stoplight, but I'm going to surprise the girls. Right now my mouth stinks because I'm going to get to wash my when I know toothpaste, so we stop to buy toothpaste. That's the life here and them life where I live. Anyway, I'm going to see if I can go to the Mandeville, go see if we can get the car because I need the car, you know, but it's not so bad, But I'm going to surprise the girls and so let's go surprise the girls. Yeah. Let's go surprise them. Never go jump on me or something, I don't know. But my mouth stinks still. Should I buy one mint sweetie? Hold on. Doing. Buy one mint sweetie. One mint sweetie. Mint. Buy one mint sweetie, so then I smell my mouth. Yeah, so last day just go book somewhere go stay in there because as I see the place that it makes sense when you come on my yard. But I never want to surprise them in the night. You understand? That's why I never want to come so late. But yeah, we're on the road today. We actually get up 6 o'clock because I'm determined say I'm gonna try to see if we can catch the bank and go get the car today. and do little stuff that I need to do and then surprise them, but me not stay long because we need to go up on the road. So we're gonna see if Marty can come follow me because I did do all of the business. Anyway, we soon tell you everything. We never alright, so guys, I was lying all this time. Telling you that we soon go up on my next location because I never want nobody follow me, no want nobody study me. When I come to Jamaica I have to come very discreet. So that was that. So yeah. We have toothbrush, you know, you out there.
Oh, backside,
I see.
to buy one for myself.
We want to buy toothbrush for me. And basically I see my mouth stink. Anyway, let's go surprise the girls. 3 years and the road still a leak. They can't fix the road. Acha, I will put up as a shop.
Welcome to the
Not change. Only 2 carrot a do
hard
it.
to change.
Only dog them, you know, man. Only dog them.
That's nice. Now we get that way.
This thing, man.
That's nice.
Only dog them now, come now. Watch it. You see my skin brown? Why didn't they? Oh, yes. How are you? And the extra, though.
Yeah, post that.
Hello, bye.
Yeah, post it. It's so
I'm wicked enough when I say, you think you
Last time we come with her. Me I see if me can go get the car. Cause holiday I'm not getting another time.
Yeah, we all get that. Then
Yeah, me text them last night. You come? Are you busy?
after I respond, no, I go.
Yeah. Cause more say me can go get the bank too.
Come here, because it's never the one.
You never know what I watch it. When they call me, you know, when they call me and say, you know, come in your yard. And then I laugh after them, you know. Tell him, say, me run off. You know what I know. You're too cute to run off. Why? Come on, me want on this.
No,
Yeah. I go by yard. Oh, well done, now I kill you. Me just call him and cuss him off. I go look for you and them. Them not go friend because me already come over here. Come let me out because we dog them. We can't scream so.
I don't go really threatened.
I saw me shot. Oh man.
You're shot, bad. But I know you're shot long
Me
time.
can hide your face.
But I know you're shot long time.
Come with Fred and dog there. Come now, what I know. One behind me. One behind me and one front of me.
You're even red. The white. I can't even say a white. Because you're red. Watch out. Guys, no one minute ago.
Jailina. Guess what? You get where you do want and you don't get nothing because you never want nothing.
Where you say?
Yeah, you
So
say?
the money there.
You don't get the money. Go ahead. Guys, today I try look at vehicle because I won't be taking taxi and I don't want to bother nobody. So You have card over here, affordable. But it's on hot, not lie, the sun hot bad. When I reach over there see it, but we did over here, so we did see a Axio. The first guess was a Subaru, and the Subaru was whatever. But when we go, we never really like it. And then we see one Axio. The Axio did alright. So it was my first choice until I got here. CRV around the same price, and it's the same brand, the Subaru, and it's practically the same year. And it's a paddle shift car, fully loaded. Some just African model is take that one here, over the Axio because the Axio small. So that we are doing. So we need to run go to the bank and decide what we are doing. But we need to buy a car today. Guys, we shame like a dog. Anyway, me a party. We go in at the people them place. I buy a party. We make up to 3,000 something. We did have to go 4,000. I think I 4,000. I pay $100. Pay $100. Me I give the people. So the woman I say, yo, listen, you need more money. So me just give 4,000. We are talking about. Like, funny money they increase out like a thousand. That's why they we give the money them the shame like a dog. The shame anyway, I'm gonna have a party right now. They can't get none, sorry. Okay, so I just finished off the road and the place is dirty. I don't know if I can even get to like video the cleaning process and everything because I know the barrel that I sent is gonna come. Well, it's not here yet, but I still need to clean because I need to sleep somewhere. So I'm gonna start off cleaning in the room and in the bathroom. The next day I can clean this out. I realized that the ceiling, because I did send someone to look on the roof, so they did do this and they never fix it up back, so we need to fix that. I'm presently washing the curtains, and if you look on this, look, I don't know if you can see it, look, dust. Take off the sheet off of the bed, the floor dusty, everything needs to come out of this room and dust down properly. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to focus today on the bedroom and the bathroom, and then sweep out the house. Because if me clean in here, so I'm gonna sweep out the house, and wipe out the house, then later I'll get back dirty. So I'm focusing today on here and in the bathroom. Lord Jesus, me need toilet paper. I send them go buy bulb, you know. I will never send them to buy toilet paper. Anyway, yeah. So that's that place. Dusty bad. Let me see if I can even show you like the dust on the ground. And this is 3 years worth of not cleaning the place. See? Dust. Like, look. Dirt. So, I'm gonna get that done because we need to sleep somewhere tonight. And we're not booking anywhere. Last night I did book somewhere. So I'm just gonna get this out of the way. And I'll show you the after. So I'm gonna do like a before and after, and then I'm gonna do the after when everything come, like from the wall for everything. But I'm just gonna do the before now. But I'm not gonna show you in this video. I'm gonna show you in another video. But yeah, guys, me still feel away. You the woman $400 things are $4,000. Shame bad. Good morning, guys. So today I'm gonna go on the road as I said yesterday. I made a list and I'm just gonna go through them. So I want to go to Flow, I want to do my nails, but I did it last night, so I take that off. I want to go Fontana as an Advantage General because the policy that I got, it should be less. So I just want to go so I can get back some money. I want to call the WAF, so right now I can do that. And I want to go buy sandals and a bed slipper. So let me see if I can call WAF. So I have all the documents right here, and if it is that is ready, we'll probably just go straight to WAF and forget about everything else. So this is number 75. Alright, hopefully it got through.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Just checking if my barrel has reached.
No, not seen that one as yet. We have some shipments that were supposed to come over the week. Check up with us later on today or tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. Alright, so done that. They said I should try call back tomorrow, so let me just take that off of the list. Finish with flow. I don't know if you're hearing the AC, but I am so hot, so sorry about that. Put it this because I like this. I went on about Tasties. If you don't know, Tasties is one of my favorite patty. It costs $360. At least juicy beef one costs $300. I think. But Tasties is my favorite. Is my favorite patty. So I'm just gonna have that, and then after that I'll go over to Kingston. So today we're going to surprise our friends, my friends. Jesus, look how I left my water with it. This morning I get up and I need to drink more water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring my cup with water. Tonight I'm gonna put ice and everything in there. I'm gonna leave it. You know me not leave something, you know, that's why every minute I go in the house because I know me I leave something. But I'm going to eat this and then go over to Kingston. We're going to surprise them. Some of them are home, but me and my friend Shana K is going to surprise us. So I'm going to pick her up, but I want to see if I can go to Pantana maybe or Azan and then pick her up because she wants me to pick her up at 2, and right now it's 9. No, it's 2:11. The thing with tasty patty that I like, especially the one in Spanish Town, it's always hot. Always hot. I love that. But based on 3 years ago when I was here, the town just seemed so much more congested. And then I was walking around with my bag. Normally when me in Spanish Town, I feel so fearful. But I see everybody, if they have a crossbar, they have a cross them shoulder or them have a name bag underneath them. And me now walk with mine freely. So I just put it across me because I say, you know what, probably there's something that I don't know anymore. Not only that, the building where they build up, right across from the, we call it the market, not really the market, but the arcade, the clothes, something place. Yo, they might build up a place, man. Money and make out here. Cause that never did there. This what take to them. That never did there. Right now, everybody have fight to get parking, but we have to eat first. Sorry, I still go no space.
I didn't know what my heart was in for till you stepped into the room. And I didn't show, but I wanted to know everything I could about you. See, I was told the dreams were made to be believed in, so I put every single dream in you. But you said the bar so high above the sky.
So I put in 3 locations to go. So that's the Sandow place, which is Bridge. Just want to look. And then Fontana, and then to pick up my friend. Right now it's 11:10, and I probably get to do one, not sure. But the plan is to pick up her on time because she said 2 o'clock exactly. So yeah.
Together for a while, but you had to go. Now I carry the load. My smile. See, I was told the dreams.
I am now gonna go to Pembroke. I have went to Flow, went to Fontana, and then now I'm at Bridges. I already did that. I have Azan and Advantage General on the list, but I don't think I can do that because I kind of switch up. If I never switch up everything that I was gonna do, because the plan wasn't to go and surprise the girls, and the plan wasn't to go and pick up my friend. So because of that, 2 things on the list is not completed. So now it's 12:40. I'm gonna take my little time and go to Pembroke all and wait on her. And I got my first Bridget's. First Bridget's. Yeah, I've been wanting it. Not the color that I have now, but the color is fine. I've been wanting one since I've been overseas, and like I can buy it myself. Yeah, I've been wanting it for a while now, so I bought myself one. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave out and go to Pembroke Hall and pick up my friend. So yeah, just want to update you. I was trying to record, but they said no recording, but I did get a little clip, so I'll probably just show you over while I'm talking. Reached the school. Waiting on my friend now. Hey, no long me I try to find a place. I'm glad me get to do everything in that town. Apart from going to Azan, but I can do that one next time. It's not really like necessary right now. But yeah, just waiting on her to come, and then we go to the other girls. I'm wondering if I should just take out this stuff out of the bag, put them in the bag, Pandora each. Yeah, put them in the bag and give it to them. She not get fair one because she did know. One of the girls they fly out, she flying today, and whenever I put fair something in the bag, so I don't tell her say yo she not gonna get fair one until the next time, and she said that's fine because the plan was to go out with these 4 girls until the next one come, but the next one come because it takes so long, and then the plan was to go to like a restaurant and we just pop up, but me can't tell the line no more. It's been 1 week. Today exactly been 1 week since I've been here, and I've been trying to plan something and then things just always come up, so that's that. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in the back for the stuff, and I'm always remembering to take up the key because I'm not locking up the key in here. So the key in my hand, I'm loading up on my bag, but because I'm not carrying my bag outside, I have the key in my hands. Alright, remember the key, we're not locking up the key in here, okay? Alright. So I have all the stuff that I brought for people. Some of these stuff not going to, it's just the Pandora. So I got these in, I don't remember, but they're in a Spanish town. I don't remember the name. And I got some paper that I'm gonna tear and put in there. So here's one, hopefully it can fit. Go buy a gift bag, I don't know if it can fit. So here's one, and then I'm gonna go in there and double check. So these are that. I'm gonna double check say everything is in there. Alright, that is in there. Every year when I ever go away, I always get them stuff. But this year, I get them something more meaningful. Even though it's always meaningful still to me. So this is one. Ew, cutesy, a little cutesy. And another. You know, you have to do all this, not could I just and then to them, but yeah, you have to present some good stuff to them. So that's what? 2 down. It's 2 down. Oh goodness. So yeah, so it's just 3. And then the other rest is for other people. What? Alright, so this is 3 gifts. Chrissy, Shanique, Cheyenne, and Fairone still at home. So yeah. And then I have one more for another girl. I was gonna give her, I was gonna keep it for myself, but you know what? It's better to give than to receive, right? Alright. Guys, she come in. She come in, watch her. Inside. Why?
You bright here, so I don't like it.
Me not have to come out back.
Oh, you know, want a good clothes. Okay.
What do you mean we don't want no good clothes?
Yeah, that can't come out of school, you know?
When me I come out for 2 o'clock, when we pick you up, when me I come out for?
Yeah, park so.
Because me nice shade. I am hot.
Alright. When the parents then come, them are go on. You can come into the school compound.
What you mean say me come out back anyway?
Okay, Vanessa, stay out here, me soon come.
My girls say me out here with the commoners. I'm in a good clothes. Okay, what should we buy me in a good clothes? Show Tada. Shrewd. Yeah, she wanted me to go inside, but it don't really make no sense. I want to come out back. I come out back, so it don't make no sense, and I'm in the cool, I'm okay, you know? Yeah.
Got it, two girls. In my arms, in my mind, all the time. I wanna, you can never go wrong if you let me hold you. Oh, baby, baby, you can never go wrong if you let me hold you.
Yeah, soon come take long, man. Come on. Don't leave. Don't leave me, girl. Just say tonight. Oh, you need a record. You press it.
Press on. Me supposed to press on. Hold on, Chrissy, hold on.
Look at her hiding. What you gotta say for yourself? Here. With bearing gifts. Guess who not get no gifts? Shanaki.
Suspect number 2. And it's Zoom.
Monday. For last Monday. 1 week now.
That's why I'm waiting with me there work.
Because we did not go surprise at the restaurant.
So I shall know what it is.
Yes.
So she drive come here one hour in a passenger side.
As she drive.
What? Oh my god. You're a part of the Pandora family now. That's Pandora, I'm alive. I guess I'm all right. When I put it on my hand, feel heavy. Now look what this is feel real.
Put it on now.
Oh, go on. Yeah. Put it on. Whenever me open it, so you have to open it from here. This is a mouth.
I don't know what Shanaki was telling her, but at this point I wanted to know too. Tired.
Why you do that? And that's why you didn't question me so much.
Tired. Finally.
Why you do that? I tell them for the telephone. Alright.
Yeah.
I get Pandora mirror.
See, I have one thing now, but it's...
What are we
No, no. And Marga.
It's pretty. So I have to go buy charms. Yeah, now you give me money.
Alright, so I just got back in. Let me show you what I got from where I was on the road. So I got myself a Bridget sandals, my first Bridget sandal. My friend used to have it, and I used to wear it, and I liked them. And I told myself that I was gonna buy one, like as a gift from me to me. Everything I'm buying gift from me to me. And one of the reasons why I actually bought it is because I realized that I really don't have any sandals. Like I don't know what happened. It seems like when I was leaving 3 years ago, I give away everything. Cause if you know me back then, whenever me I give away stuff, I like crocus bag of stuff, crocus bag of shoes, like 2 crocus bag of shoes, because we get so much stuff from overseas. Cause my mother sent barrel and so forth. I used to have a whole lot of shoes, and I still have a lot of sneakers, right? But me don't really have no slippers. No have none even heels. Me don't know where them there. Me honestly don't know where they use them. They come like somebody hide them or somewhere, because. But then again, the other day I had to throw away a lot of them because one of them was dry rotten, and me just never like them anymore. So I got this. I really wanted a different color, but this is also neutral. You can wear it anything. So it's a white Bridget, and it comes in a plastic bag, and then it comes in the dust bag, and then it comes with this nice bag. Everybody always keep this to say that yes, they have Bridget. But what I did realize though, and what I did like first time, was that if anything happened to it, they will bring it and they fix it, but they stop doing that now. So if you have a Bridget and they bust out on you, they're not repairing it. And I guess maybe if you say for instance you buy it now and it bursts out on you, probably you can carry it back, because it must be some fault, some manufacturer fault. But them really do it good. So I bought the white one. It's genuine leather, and I don't know why we're so hype up about leather now, because hold on there. Some of them have a Bridget underneath the bottom. Some of them have a gold something underneath, and my one don't have it. Not like that. And then I went to Fontana. I only got 2 stuff in Fontana. I got a mat for the bathroom, which is like a fluffy, nice mat. And then I got this thing here to put on my dresser so that I can put like my colognes and so on. So let's do that. I just come to close out the vlog, but before I close out the vlog, so today I've been home all day. I do nothing more than cook like a something and wash. Right, every day I wash. I don't do nothing because guess what? Someone said that they would come and check me. They didn't come. Flo said that they would have come and put on the internet. They never come. Like I've applied for the internet from December 23rd, and apparently they were having a promotion, but I never really care about the promotion. I just wanted to get the service before I got here. I got here, nothing. No one called, no one messaged, no one emailed. So I called the floor and I said, hey, I've applied for this service, gave them the order number, and the lady said that okay, within 24 hours you'll get a response from Flo. 24 hours passed, no response, no call, no nothing. Right? So I said, alright, let me go to Flo. I go to the location in Spanish Town, and I went there, joined the long line. I went to the customer service, wait patiently, and talk to the teller. The teller now is telling me that the promotion that they had already gone. Remember, I paid $200 now because I had to pay. I paid $200, and they're telling me that the promotion no longer valid, and I would have to pay $2,000. Now remember, I paid $200. If anything, I should have paid $1,800 so that they can accommodate me for the $200 that I pay from overseas, right? Anyway, I want internet, so I paid for it. And did everything, and it's the lady told me that today, I went yesterday, they told me today they will come between the hours of 9 and 2. I was like, okay, I have so much things to do, but guess what? I want the internet, because the internet I use to watch TV, I use to edit, because even CapCut, because I have the Pro, it use internet to upload stuff and so forth. So I need internet. Internet is kind of vital right now. You understand? Plus the randomization list come out today. People are waiting on me to come live to probably talk about the list and so forth. And Flo never come. I was there back and forth on Instagram messaging Flo. I'm like, hey, listen, what's going on? And I told them everything, right? Same thing that I'm telling you. Oh, sorry for the inconvenience. They'll come by 5. 5 o'clock come, no Flow. So I message them and say, I practically blocked out today just so that I could accommodate you guys, and who to say that I'm available tomorrow. At this point, I just want back my money. Tell me a way how to get back my money, because at this point it doesn't make no sense, because from the 23rd I applied for the service and you guys are not here yet. Better yet, I just use somebody else, like another service provider. Like if they don't come tomorrow morning, just don't say, yo, may I go up a floor, I'm going to tell them so I don't want the service no more, honestly, and then just find another service. Think me know me should have signed up with Starlink, you know. Me know me should have, but you me say, me nah go there, you know, me no sense. Me should have take Starlink. Me should have take it. Next time I know. Next time I know, man. So that's all that happened today. I didn't go anywhere. I slept, I edit, I clean, I wash. That's all I did today. So now I'm gonna close out the vlog, because the 2 vlog that I work on are confused me, and I need to close out this one and then close out the one day and then start another one, because I did promise you guys daily vlogs. And now that people know that I'm here, those who I never wanted to know that I'm here, them know we can do some vlogging now. We can put out the videos now. So yes, the secret is out, guys. I'm back in Jamaica. Some of you guys did know. Some of you probably never know, because I was kind of misleading you guys. I kind of misleading you. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for joining on this 3 years with me, and then I'm gonna do a review soon. Like, give me some time. I have more time now, so I can do more edits, I can do this, I can do that. But on the other hand, I do want to have fun. Alright, I do want to have a little life. Understand? And I just want to stay here for like 3 months, do my 3 months, and then go and work, because listen, they're gonna tell me so that's Jamaica expensive. Everything tripling up. We go away for 3 years and everything times 3. That don't make no sense. No make no sense. And a 3 years fully still, but yeah. I was so worried of coming. You know what? Next vlog. Not next vlog, but you'll get the update. Yeah. Alright. So thank you for watching. It was a pleasure. And stay tuned for all the craziness. Stay tuned for everything that's gonna go on down here. Stay tuned. Feed the process and me going back up and all this stuff. Stay tuned for all the insights and the little nuggets that I'll be dropping in. And because I'm sure you guys got the nuggets from my employer that I send and blah blah blah. Yeah, if you don't watch the vlog, you're not gonna get them. Yeah, you have to watch the vlogs to get the little nuggets. And then I really do it like that, because I want people who want to support me get the jobs. Yeah. So thank you so much. If you're new here, please tell me that you're new. If you're old, just write down in the comments VPs. You know what? Yeah, thank you for coming. Bye.